everyone, here now we are going to be doing the best hacked Subway Surfers. So let me show you now. So Subway Surfers. So, as you can see, this is a hacked Subway Surf with infinity money, right? You know that, right? So as you can see, in this Subway, my money up there is infinite. I have infinite boards. If you go to my players and see, I have every single one here. All my boards are here. I can buy anyone I want to buy now. Like now, let me buy my characters. I can get anyone I want, and anyone that has to be bought with money. I can get anyone. Like this one right now. Then if you go to the shop and buy mystery box, like can buy any amount I want. And buy can get almost anything I want with all this infinite money. So let's go to the fun part. So right now I'm just flying for some time. We'll soon go to the main thing, the running. In this one you can jump like forever. Like watch now, I'm still jumping. I'm on the roof right now. As you can see, it's very fun to have a hacked Subway Surf. It's always fun. You can get everything you want. And always remember to subscribe and like to this video. I need it more than you do. Ouch. That's the end, man. Bye.